So happy to welcome famous friendly detectives. Most important that mystery of pearl bed robberies be solved. Unless you catch pearl thief Chop Chop, pearl business will be ruined.
I get you, Mac.
Oh, 1,000 pardons for rude interruption. Pearl thief has struck again.
We better get busy. How do we find the pearl bed, Karate?
Oh, you take a freeway to Mayoto, turn a left, and you hit Ocean. Cannot miss Ocean. Very big.
Taxi! Take us to the nearest ocean and hurry.
Atoya Kanasana.
What'd he say?
Atoya Kanasana.
Right. Boy, you're smart.
Hey, isn't the driver going with us?
Cut the back seat driving. Uh-oh. I agree. We're not making very good time this way.
Can't we get more speed out of this crate?
Let's find out. I'll put her in overdrive.
That's better.
No one would ever suspect that this clamshell is really a one-man submarine. Oh, what's this on my radar screen? Strangers in the area. Better have a look-see. Oh, it's those three pesky uncles from UCLA. Down periscope. This is going to be fun. Those dummies couldn't find sand in the Sahara Desert.
Hey, look at that funny-looking octopus.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll nail it. It was close, Karate, but he got away.
We almost got him, though.
So, if you do not catch him this time, I promise you somebody else will get it.
Hey, Mo, are you supposed to drive tanks underwater?
How do I know? I didn't read the instructions.
Uh-oh, they have obtained reinforcements. What a revolting development this is.
There he goes, Mo.
I can see him, you fuzzhead.
Look, he's escaping into that big cave.
That's no cave. It's a monster whale.
Let's get out of here.
Hey, look!
Never have I been so embarrassed.
Welcome aboard, Dunk.
Yeah, long time no see.
We're taking you for a ride.
Yeah, right to the Hoosgow. No need to feel bad. We got Count Dunkula out of your hair, didn't we?
So, but also got rid of pearl beds. Pearl business completely wiped out.
Have you ever thought of raising goldfish?
Would much rather raise samurai sword.
I get it. See you guys in Cucamonga.
Wait for me.
Sorry to have to leave, amigo.